Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, we have seating for three, spaciously and comfortably, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any of the cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders like so, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlets as well. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, eco coach, auto start stop status, radio station, and fuel economy. You can also exit out of that and go into your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and your seat belts. Then you can also look at your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other settings around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, much like My View. You can put any of these subcategories for here for ease of access, and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 controls with locking rear differential and drive mode selector. It's going to yell at me about fuel, but you have normal, of course, tow haul, eco, sport. Then on the other end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. And this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then down here, you have a 12-volt power outlet, again with a USB and USB-C, and a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you want. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck too. And underneath that, you even have another lockable compartment for even more storage. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.